In today's video, we're going to explore the best practices when traveling in the United States. Whether you're a local explorer or an international visitor, these tips will ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. So, grab a pen and paper as we embark on this exciting journey together. Before you set foot on American soil, make sure you thoroughly research your destination. Check for any travel advisories, weather conditions, or important cultural or local customs you should be aware of. Take note of any must-see attractions, events, or festivals happening during your visit. Planning ahead will help you make the most of your time and create a well-rounded itinerary. The United States is a vast country with multiple transportation choices. Whether it's domestic flights, trains, buses, or rental cars, each option has its own pros and cons. Take into consideration factors such as cost, convenience, and the distances you'll need to cover. Depending on your destination, it's worth considering a mix of transportation modes to maximize your flexibility. The United States is a diverse nation with a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions. Be mindful and respectful of the customs and etiquettes of the specific region you're visiting. What may be acceptable behavior in one area might be considered rude or inappropriate in another. Additionally, learning a few common phrases or greetings can go a long way in making connections and showing cultural sensitivity. Like any travel destination, ensuring personal safety is essential. Familiarize yourself with emergency contact numbers, local laws, and safety tips provided by official sources. Stay alert and aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas or unfamiliar neighborhoods. Remember, your safety should be a top priority throughout your journey. The United States is famous for its diverse and exciting culinary scene. From seafood on the coasts to barbecue in the South to the bustling food trucks in cities, there's something for every taste bud. Don't hesitate to explore the local cuisine and step out of your comfort zone. You might discover new favorite dishes and flavors. Pack appropriately for your destination and activities. With the United States spanning various regions and climates, packing for your trip is crucial. Check the weather forecast for your destination and pack clothing suitable for the conditions. Additionally, consider any specific activities you'll be participating in and bring the necessary gear or equipment. A well-prepared suitcase ensures a hassle-free travel experience. Tipping is customary in the United States and an important part of the service industry. Be familiar with the standard tipping percentages for various services, such as restaurants, hotels, and taxis. It's always a good practice to reward excellent service, so keep a supply of small bills handy for tipping purposes. As travelers, it's our responsibility to respect and preserve the natural and cultural heritage of our destinations. Follow all posted signs and guidelines when visiting national parks, wildlife reserves, or any protected areas. Dispose of waste properly and leave no trace. By being conscious of our impact, we can help protect the stunning beauty of the United States for future generations. In today's digital age, staying connected is easier than ever. Ensure you have a reliable and affordable communication plan while in the United States, whether it's through local SIM cards, international data packages, or Wi-Fi hotspots. Sharing your experiences on social media or via personal travel diary is a fantastic way to keep memories alive and inspire other travelers. While planning and preparation are essential, don't forget to leave room for unexpected adventures and spontaneous moments. Some of the best travel memories are made when you let go and immerse yourself in the moment. So, take a deep breath, go with the flow, and remember to have fun along the way. Well, that concludes our video on the best practices when traveling in the United States. We hope these tips will make your journey remarkable and unforgettable. As always, remember to respect local customs, be mindful of safety, and cherish every moment of your travel experience. Until next time, happy travels! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.